Okay, here, just sit there. Keep on going. No, stand up and do those other things like that. That was juicy. Here, stand over here to get a side.
He's eating something.
Oh, he's eating something. Oh, well, that smells bad. Okay. Here, Benny, turn to the side.
Ready?
No, other side. Turn around. No, turn like. Is that Nutrigrain bar helping you burp?
Uh-huh.
Oh my God, that smells. No, get off my bed and jump off while you burp. Jump off over here. No, jump off over here.
I didn't do it that time.
I think the jump.
Oh,
Seriously?
I didn't break.
Let's see. Yep, Benny, it broke. Come on. Hard with food in your mouth.
Show them the house.
No,
Why not?
because then they'll find it and then they'll murder us all. Benny, say what's up in burp. After you finish. Oh, okay. Is that yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Finish up and then burp.
Tastes like poop.
Bleh. Oh, really? Tastes like dung?
Because that's a burp.
Okay. No, let's do. I'm gonna burp. Okay, here we go.
Hold on 1 second.
Okay, hold on 1 second. I'm watching. Okay, I'm ready. Wow, Benny.
Let's do this again.
Try burping. Try burping and saying goodbye. Oh my God, stop breaking my bed.
Oh, I'll fix it.
No, you won't. Let Mommy. Benny. He collapsed my bed again.
At least you got a little smosh.
Say farts and turds and burp. Okay, goodbye.